So what's up guys, for today's video, mga ligo ta og mangima. Hala, sakto to yung nadungog, mangimo, mga ligo ta. Di naman ta kabalo mo voice over aning trabaho ani. Sakto to yung nadungog, mga ligo ta og mangima Spring Resort. Kuyog na mo ang among mga anak no. So maura ni among trip karon kay wala tay project today. So mga ligo sa ta kay grabe ka init no, iligo sa nato ni atong mga anak panagsa putaw natong pamilya, dili lang puro trabaho, puro plano. So kailangan gyapon mga ligo ta ato gyapon ibanding gyapon atong pamilya basta makabakantit tagamay no kay para enjoy lang gyapon no ana ra bagi nga trip gyud panagad sa kinabuhi ha. So mo na ni guys no nanami karon diri sa Manolo Portage no paingon na ta dito sa Mangima. So what's up, tanawa lang yun ni ato mini vlog no gamay vlog lang ta gamay sa dalan syempre. So what's up wadam ha no, so nami karon diri sa Mangima Resort, Mangima Spring Resort. Smart pagay nang kira ka? Tara sa tatubabaw ta. Hoy, hinay ah.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Hulog kayo. Anem.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts.
So maoro to guys no, nanghuli mi hapon na. Tanawa niyo, nakita niyo ng adlaw ning salop na no. So gituyo na muna kay para dili kayo init. So nana gyud ang target na to nga oras no nga di po kay tatanto magabinan niya kulis itong balay kay syempre mga bata atong kuyog. So ana gatsada. So maraming salamat no sa mga nagtanaw-tanaw sa tong mga video sa way klaro. Hala. So maoro to guys kay manghuli na mi. So ako na lang ni background music. So kapoy na kistalan magsigir tag voice over aning kulirit way tarong video.
I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind over